Hey guys, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this wig. It's 𝐒𝐶 clean pre-plucked hairline straight from the box. Alright, so let's get into the wig. And this wig that I'm rocking today, it's a Kinky straight wig, 22 inches, and it's 180 density. Now, are you seeing the knots on it? It's super tiny. Pre-plucked 360 wig. So I'm giving a 360 wig a chance today, you guys, and it does have invisible adjustable elastic bands on the back of it, so that way you can wear it in an updo or you can wear the wig glueless. Now the knots are super fine, so I don't need to bleach the knots. It looks great. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and I'm here for that. I've worn their wigs in the past, and what I do like about it, it is beginner friendly. So if you don't want to have to tweeze your hairline, bleach the knots, you don't have to do that. I love how the hairline looks. I don't think I need to do any tweezing to it. So now I'm going to go in with my flat iron and just straighten out the hair a bit, because the kinky hair, they usually come a bit on the crimpier side. Now I don't want it to be super bone straight, so it's still gonna have some texture in it when I straighten it, and I'm just gonna straighten it. You guys know how to straighten hair already, and all I did was apply some 𝐒𝐷 hair serum to the hair. Now I'm going to move on to tinting the lace. I'm taking a foundation that I usually use for my base, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the lace. So because this is a 360 wig, I'm applying it on the back as well. Then I go in with my scissors and cut off the extra lace at the back. So that's what it looks like when you cut the lace off at the back. The wig has adjustable straps, so I'm going to put the adjustable straps on, so that way the wig can fit my head perfectly when I apply it. Now we're going to move on to the ball cap. And as you can see, I'm tinting the ball cap as well. That way it gives that scalp look when I apply my wig. So I'm going to pop that wig on my head. Usually I don't show the back, but I want you guys to see the back. I use the combs in the back to make sure that everything is fitting on the back of my head. So right now it's fitting on my head, but I will tell you this right now. This wig is a tad bit big for my head. I do have a very small head. Yeah, so I kind of have a peanut head. The wig size is about 22 inches, 22 around circumference, and my head size is around 21. So it's a bit big. Even though it has the adjustment straps, I already know that to put it up, it's going to be too big for my head. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off all the extra lace. And are you seeing the lace? The lace is so thin on this wig. I'm livid for how thin the lace is. This is like really thin 𝐒𝐷 lace. So I'm going to go ahead and just wipe off my forehead, and I use a makeup wipe, and then I'm going to go in with some lace glue. Now you don't have to use lace glue if you don't want to, but I was going to go for some glue today. This wig can be worn glueless as well, with just by wearing the adjustment straps. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop that lace on. Before you do that, make sure the lace glue is dried clear. As you can see, the glue is no longer white, so it's nice and clear. And I went in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm just going to melt down that lace. Add a bit more lace to the very front. I kept the hairline more like a V shape because I want to give it a more natural shape. So again, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the side as well. Apply the glue to the side, wait for that glue to dry clear, go in with my blow dryer, and then just pop that lace down and melt it down. Hairline is super clean on this wig, and it's seamless, undetectable, and I'm here for that. I love when you get a good 𝐒𝐷 lace and it's like real 𝐒𝐷 and it's super thin. And like I said, this wig is beginner friendly because it's pre-plucked, and I know plucking the hairline can be a little bit annoying for most people. Even though I know how to do it, I don't always like doing it. So I like when my wigs are like, you know, I can just pop them on my head. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side as well. So it's very repetitive. So apply the glue on the other side, wait for it to dry clear. Now, again, like I said, the wig was just a tad bit big for my head, and they're 360 wigs. They start at 22, so I kind of wish they had smaller wigs, because I would really love to try a 360 wig and be able to put it up. Now I would say for 360 wigs, if you want to wear it in a high ponytail, 180 density might be a bit much. I would probably do like a 150 density if I'm gonna do a 360 wig and wear it up in like a high bun or something. The hair, I feel like the hair should be a little bit thinner because it'll look more realistic that way. This is how I secure my wigs when they're a little bit big for my head. I go ahead and I use some bobby pins and just pop them in at the back of the wig, because sometimes the comb is just not enough and I need a little bit more security in the back, so I just pop the bobby pins in. Now as you can see, I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten down that wig. And honey, this hairline, like, it looks really amazing. I'm very impressed with the lace on this wig, and I'm just going to go in with some hair mousse and just melt down this wig and just brush it back using my edge brush. You guys know I'm not super big on baby hairs. I'm not, and I don't really know how to do them that well, but I also don't think they suit me that well either. But you know, it's a preference thing. I know some of you guys love them, so I'm going to go ahead and take out some tiny little bit. So I do like just a little more natural, realistic for my face frame. I feel like when they're too extra, I don't know, it just doesn't suit me that well. But I'm gonna go in with my scissors and my brush and just cut some little hair and just brush it out of the way. I have my makeup on, so yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I'm gonna leave the wig just like this in a center part, but I could definitely wear it half up, half down. But as for wearing it all the way up, I wouldn't be able to do that just because it's just a little bit big for my head. But I have seen other videos where people wear the wig up with the adjustable straps and it looks really amazing. But yeah, you should definitely check out those videos. And that's how long the hair is on me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. So I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.